Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Dash Cam Tandem. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to power supply. In the beginning, let me just tell you that in the original box we've got two cables included. One longer cable is to plug your camera to car's charging supply. And the second shorter cable is when you want to plug it to the computer. So simply plug it to computer or power supply and insert this cable to this USB hole. And as you can see, the dashcam is now powered. That's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.